10x Income currently earns an impressive $199 to $3,200 per month from YouTube. With 301K subscribers and over 10,136,449 views, only in 6 months. Wouldn't you love to know how this channel went from zero to hero in record time? Are you looking to skyrocket your subscriber count and increase views on your channel? Well, get ready to be amazed because today we're diving deep into the phenomenal success of 10x Income, a channel that has cracked the code to rapid growth, and we're bringing you the high-quality insights you won't want to miss it. Welcome back to our channel, where we provide the best methods for helping you in becoming successful on YouTube. Today, we have a special surprise in wait for you today. We'll reveal the amazing strategies the popular channel 10x Income used to achieve incredible growth. So let's get started if you're ready to grow your channel to new heights. Let's start by describing the strategies that 10x Income used to become a YouTube perception. These techniques have been reliable and effective, and your channel may profit much from them as well. Strategy 1. Consistent and engaging content. The first key to success is consistency. 10x Income consistently uploads high-quality, value-packed videos. They understand their audience's needs and provide content that resonates with them. This keeps viewers coming back for more and boosts their subscriber count. Strategy 2. Clever collaborations. Collaborations are a powerful way to expand your reach and attract new subscribers. 10x Income has collaborated with several influencers in their niche, exposing their channel to a broader audience. Strategy 3. Utilizing YouTube analytics. To stay ahead in the game, 10x Income closely monitors YouTube analytics. They analyze which videos perform best, understand their audience's behavior, and optimize their future content accordingly. Strategy 4. Eye-catching thumbnails and titles. First impressions matter. 10x Income knows the importance of eye-catching thumbnails and click-worthy titles. This entices viewers to click on their videos, increasing their views and watch time. Strategy 5. Leveraging social media. Promotion is vital for growth. 10x Income actively shares their videos on social media platforms, reaching a wider audience beyond YouTube. Now the moment you've been waiting for. 10x Income currently earns an impressive $199 to $3,200 per month from YouTube. With 301K subscribers and over 10,136,449 views, they've come a long way since their humble beginnings. Now, my fellow creators, it's time for action. We've unlocked the vault of 10x Income's top-notch strategies, and your success depends on implementing them. If you want to achieve similar success, don't forget to implement these tactics on your channel. Remember to support our channel by subscribing, hitting the like button, and sharing this video with fellow content creators. Let's grow together and make a mark on YouTube. Until next time, stay creative and keep hustling. Goodbye.